guys, happy Tuesday. It's Toodle Tuesday, so find somebody in your home who you can give a toodle to. Remember, a toodle is something nice that you say to somebody. And I'm going to give everyone a toodle right now. I think you guys are doing a great job watching the videos and doing your assignments and, just being rock stars. So that's my toodles for Tuesday, is that all of you are working hard and getting things done. And that makes me really happy. So today, you are going to need a pencil and a piece of paper. And you're going to need your worksheet or story 15.2 in your work packets that went home. Sal's Fish Shop. So if you have that, go ahead and grab that, okay? And that's all you need today. Piece of paper and a pencil and Sal's Fish Shop. Okay, so we're going to go through these sounds. I'm going to hold up a flashcard, and I want you to just real quickly pound out those sounds for me, okay? Ready? This is a word that we had as a vocabulary word for read aloud last week. All right, did you get all those words? I bet there were some of you who did get all those words. So if you did get all those words, make sure you give your brain a kiss today, okay? Because that's really hard work that you guys are doing. All right, so get ready with your piano fingers. We're going to count some sounds and words. I am not going to say the sounds today. I'm only going to say the word. I will count with you, but I'm not going to say the sounds. I'm making it trickier because you guys are almost in first grade now, so you're like super duper pros at this. Okay, here we go. Soft. Does your number match my number? Split. Does your number match my number? If not, go through it again and do the sounds. Traps. Brings. Remember that ng sound is called a digraph. It's two letters, but they work together to make one sound. Stamp. Do we have the same number? Thrill. That sound is also two letters that work together to make one sound. Trash. Is your number the same as my number? Bench. Check yourself. If you don't have the same number, try it again. Things. That one's tricky because it has two digraphs in it. Two digraphs. Crush. Did you get all those right? I bet a lot of you did. Gets your brains again because you're working so hard. All right, now you're going to get out your pencil and your paper, okay? And we're going to do some writing. So, yesterday I had you write 3 sets of words. We're going to do the same thing again today. The first set, you're just going to write, okay? And then you're going to say them. The second set, you're going to do beginning sound, underline. And the second set, or the third set, I want you to underline the ending sound. This was something that we were having a little bit of a challenging time with before the extended closure started. So it's something I want you guys to get in the habit of practicing, because if you underline it now, you're probably not going to need to underline it later on. You're just going to know it like that, okay? So the first set of words, we're just going to write them, and you're going to tell me what they say. I'm not going to say them. Okay? All right, here we go. Pencil's ready. Remember, you hold your pencil with a pincher grasp, just like that. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. All right, and this is our first word. Okay, can everybody see that? Let me see if I can prop this up a little bit better for you guys. There you go. That's a little bit better. All right, now we're gonna change that sound a little bit. We're gonna change it from t to th. All right, now what does our word say? So you should have 2 words written on your paper. The first word we wrote, and this word. All right, then we're going to change one sound, but it's going to change our entire digraph. So now you should have 3 words on your paper, okay? All right, now we're going to change the beginning sound of our word from sh to p. Now what does our word say? Write it. Tell me what it says. Now we're just going to add a sound. Uh-oh, there's that tricky digraph. What does it say again? Write it. Tell me what it says. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. All right, now we're going to change that p to er. Now what does our word say? Write it, say it. Okay, now we're going to change our beginning sound again from er to th. Now what does our word say? Now we're changing to s. Write our word. Tell me what it says. Okay. Now we're going to change our s to st. Now what does our word say? Write the word that you see. Tell me what it says. Okay. Now we're going to change one sound, but it's going to be our middle sound. So we're changing from I to Now what does our word say? That's a super tricky one. Okay, so you should have one set of words on your page. Okay. Write those words. Read them to me. Okay. So in this next set, after you write the word, I want you to underline the beginning sound in the word, the first sound that you hear. Okay? All right, here's the first word. Where is my beginning sound? Underline it when you find it. Okay? Now we're going to change that word, we're going to change rat to this word. Now what word do we have? And what's my beginning sound? Is it the same or is it different? Is it one letter or two? So we're changing to sh. So now what's my beginning sound? Underline it. After you write the word, underline the beginning sound. Okay, now we're going to change this sound from a to it. Now what does my word say? What's my beginning sound? Underline it. Okay, now we're changing our sh sound to What does my word say? What's my beginning sound? What does it say? Underline it. Now I'm going to change to What's my word? What's my beginning sound? Underline it on your paper. Changing oh no, we're not changing we're changing this sound. So we have t. Blend that together. Now we're changing to s. Now what's our word? It was t. Now it's st. What word is that? Write the word. Underline the beginning sound. Tell me what it says. All right, now we're going to take away this sound. And since we don't write a word with a big gap in the middle, I'm going to move that sound over here. Now what does my sound say? My word say? T. Put it together. Underline the beginning sound. Okay? If I change my to this digraph, what word do I have now? And what's my beginning sound? Underline it. And now we're just going to pop an extra sound in here. We have it. We're going to make it it. Okay? Write it. Tell me what it says. Underline your beginning sound. Okay? So you should have two sets of words on your paper now. The first set we wrote, the second set we wrote, and we underlined the beginning sound. Now we're going to write a third set. And when we write the third set, I want you guys to put a box like this around the ending sound. Okay? I don't want you to underline it because I don't want you to get confused. So you're going to put a box around the ending sound of our word, the sound you hear last. So if our word is hen, where's my box going to go? Is it going to go here? Is it going to go here? Is it going to go here? Okay? And that's the first word you're going to write. You're going to say it, and you're going to put a box around the ending sound. So in this word, my ending sound is here. My ending sound is okay? I'm not going to help you out with any more of them. I just wanted to give you the example of what I wanted to see. All right, so we are going to change that word from hen to this word. Okay, what word do I have now? Write it. Tell me what it says. Put a box around the ending sound. Okay. Now I'm changing one sound. I'm changing my to a. Now what word do I have? What's my ending sound? You're going to put a box around it. Okay, so we have this word. We're changing one sound, and the sound that we're changing to t. Now what word do we have? Write the word, tell me what it says, put a box around the ending sound. Now we're going to take off the th, and we're going to make it this word, this sound. What does it say? Write it, tell me what it says, put a box around the ending sound of the word, the last sound you hear. All right, now you're going to make your b, you're going to make it ch. Okay, write the word, tell me what it says, put a box around your ending sound. Now we're changing this sound from t to d. Okay. Write my word. What does it say? Where does my box go if I'm putting it around the ending sound, the last sound I hear? Look at your word. Write your box. All right, now we're going to change ch to b. Okay? Write my word. What does it say? What's my ending sound? Put a box around it. 2 words left. You guys are doing great. Now we're changing d to. Now what's my word? Write it, say it, box around the ending sound. Remember, your ending sound and your beginning sound is not always one letter. Remember, if it starts or ends with a digraph, it might be 2 letters. Think very carefully. Here's our last word. Now what does our word say? What's my ending sound? Put a box around it. Okay. So you should have 3 sets of words. Your first set is written on your paper. Your second set is written on your paper with the beginning sound underlined. And your third set is written on your paper with a box around the ending sound. Okay? So write those 3 sets of words, snap a picture, and send it to me. Okay? So now we are going to read our story. I'm just going to read it to you. If you have it and you want to follow along, great. Okay? So get your pointer finger out and put it right down on that very first sound that you see. S. Okay? And we're going to read it together. Sal's fish shop. Pat and Seth went in Sal's fish shop. Sal had fresh fish. Sal had fresh shrimp. Sal had crabs. Sal had clams. Sal had squid. Pat got fish and shrimp. Okay? I have a few questions I'm going to ask you, and you can either try to write the answers to these or you can send me a video answering the questions. And it's all about this Sal read aloud, so you can look back on the story if you need to, okay? The first one is a think, pair, share. So find a partner in your house that you can turn and ask your partner a question about Sal's fish shop. Ask them a question. What kind of shop do Seth and his mom go to? Who is Sal? Name 3 things Sal sells. What does Pat buy? What do you think Pat will do with the fish and shrimp? Answer those questions, send me a video, or you can try to write them down. Have a great day, guys. Bye.